Friends, today we will do analysis of solution number 7. For this A part preliminary test, we will see color of the solution. So you can see it is colorless. So in the place of inference you will write Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3, Ni plus 2, Cu plus 2, Mn plus 2, etc. are absent. Now we will see the litmus test. For this, first we will use blue litmus paper. We will dip it into the solution. You can see there is no change. So now we will use red litmus paper. Here also you can see there is no change. That means now you can see the scheme. In the scheme it is written, if red litmus paper changes to blue, the solution is basic. If blue changes to red, the solution is acidic. But if both doesn't change, that means this solution is neutral. So in this you will write litmus test, there is no change, bracket में you will write neutral. This is salt of strong acid and weak base, or salt of strong base and weak acid. Flame test. For this we need platinum wire. So before doing this flame test, we need to clean this wire. So for cleaning, you will dip this wire into concentrated HCl and you will heat it continuously. Then we will perform the flame test. Now we will do the flame test of solution number 7. In a clean test tube, into this we will add concentrated HCl. Then we will dip the clean platinum wire into this solution and we will observe the flame color. You can see there is no peculiar flame. There is no peculiar flame. So in this we will write that no peculiar flame. In the fourth column of preliminary test, that is borax bead test, we will write, we will not perform borax bead test in solution number 7 because we already know that solution is colorless, and we perform borax bead test only when the solution is colored. So here in the place of observation we will write this test should not be performed as the solution is colorless, and in the column of inference we will write Cu plus 2, Fe plus 3, Mn plus 2, Fe plus 2, Ni plus 2, Cr plus 3, Cu plus 2, etc. are absent. Now we will do the B part, that is wet test for the positive radical. So first we will take little amount of OS in a fresh test tube. Into this we will add dilute HCl. You can see there is no precipitate. That means in the inference you will write group 1 is absent. That means Pb plus 2, Ag plus, Hg plus 2 are absent. So for group 2, into the same test tube we will add H2S water. Here also you can see there is no precipitate. So you will write in the inference, that means group 2 is also absent. That means Cu plus 2, Cd plus 2 and Sn plus 2 are also absent. Now we will take OS in a fresh test tube. Into this we will add ammonium chloride. As we have to make the solution alkaline by adding ammonium hydroxide, for this we will add red litmus paper into the test tube. Then we will start adding ammonium hydroxide till the litmus paper turns blue, which shows that the solution becomes alkaline. Here also you can see there is no precipitate. That means group 3A is also absent. Now we will proceed to group 3B. So into the same test tube we will add H2S water. So you can see there is no precipitate. That means group 3B is also absent. So Mn plus 2, Ni plus 2, Zn plus 2, Co plus 2 are absent. Now we will take little amount of OS in a fresh test tube. Then we will add ammonium chloride, then we will add litmus paper, red litmus paper into the test tube. After that we will start adding NH4OH till the solution becomes alkaline, which will be indicated by litmus paper. Red will turn to blue. Then we will add ammonium carbonate. Then we will add ammonium carbonate. So you can see there is no precipitate. So fourth group is also absent. That means calcium Ca plus 2, Ba plus 2 are also absent. Then we will take little amount of OS in a fresh test tube. Then we will add ammonium chloride. Then after that we have to add ammonium hydroxide till the solution becomes alkaline. So for this we will add a piece of red litmus paper. After that we will start adding NH4OH till the red turns to blue. So this indicates that the solution is alkaline. After this we will add Na2HPO4, sodium hydrogen phosphate. So you can see white precipitates. So here we will write that precipitates. So in the inference you will write that 5A group is present, which has Mg plus 2 ion. So we will do the group analysis of group 5A. For this we will take little amount of OS in a fresh clean test tube. To this we will add ammonium chloride. Then we will add red litmus paper. Then we will start adding NH4OH till the red litmus paper turns blue, which will show that the solution is alkaline. You can see the litmus paper has turned to blue. Now we will add sodium hydrogen phosphate, Na2HPO4. So you can see the precipitates, which shows the solution, given solution contains Mg plus 2 as the positive ion, but still it is not confirmed. So for this we will do the confirmative test for Mg plus 2 radical. So there are three tests. We will do all of them one by one. So for the first test we will take little amount of OS in a fresh test tube. Then we will start adding Na2CO3. You can see white precipitates, which confirms Mg plus 2 is present in the given solution. Then we will do the second confirmative test. For this we will take little amount of OS. Then we will add sodium hypoiodide. Sodium hypoiodide. You can see brown precipitates. So this is the second confirmative test of Mg plus 2, which shows that Mg plus 2 is confirmed in the given solution. Then we will do the third confirmative test. For this we will take OS in a clean test tube. To this we will add oxime. You can see pale yellow precipitates, which confirms Mg plus 2 is present in the given solution as the positive ion. We will do the E part, that is wet test for the negative radicals. So we will take the OS in a fresh test tube and add AgNO3 solution into it. You can see there are no precipitates, that means Cl minus is absent. So we will do the wet test for sulfate. For this we will take little amount of OS in a fresh test tube. Into this we will add barium chloride, which is in bottle number 12. You can see the white precipitates. So here you will write OS plus BaCl2, white precipitates, SO4 2 minus, that means sulfate radical may be present. Then in the F part we will do the confirmative test for the negative radical. So here we will do the confirmative test for sulfate. For this we will take little amount of OS in a test tube. Into this we will add lead acetate. You can see the white precipitate. It confirms that sulfate ions or radical is present in the given solution number 7. Now we will write the result part. The given solution contains Mg plus 2 as the positive radical and SO4 minus 2 as the negative radical. Therefore it is magnesium sulfate, and we will write the formula in bracket MgSO4.